Hey guys, today we are making a 3-ingredient lemon posset. It is so simple to make. It requires heavy cream, sugar, and lemons. That is it. It takes about 5 minutes to cook on the stove and about 2 hours to set in the fridge. Our version is gluten-free, nut-free, and eggless. It's so creamy, delicious, sweet, and of course tart. So come on, let's make it. We are going to start off by washing, drying, and zesting our lemons. Next, we're going to cut them in half and juice them till we get 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Over medium heat, we're going to take our heavy cream, granulated sugar, and mix it together. We're going to add our lemon zest and bring to a boil. Once boiling, we will continue to boil for 6 minutes, whisking the entire time. Pull off the heat, add in the lemon juice, and whisk to combine. Strain through a mesh colander or a sieve to remove all the zest. Next, we are going to divide between 5 ramekins. Then we are going to chill for 2 hours until set. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.